Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up a Brex Cash account, so let's get started. If you want to open a Brex Cash account for your business, the process is quick and fully online, but you need to have your business details ready before starting. First, go to the Brex website and click on Get Started or Sign Up. You'll be asked to enter your business email and create a secure password to begin your application. Next, select your business type and enter your company information. This includes your business name, registration details, and industry. Make sure everything matches your official documents to avoid delays. After that, you'll need to provide details about your business owners or directors. This usually includes their full names, addresses, and identification details for verification purposes. Now, connect your business bank account if required, or continue with identity verification. You may be asked to upload documents like your ID or company registration papers. Once you complete all the steps, submit your application. Brex will review your information, and approval can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. After approval, you'll get access to your Brex dashboard, where you can manage funds, send payments, and use your cash account for business expenses. And that's it. That's how you can set up a Brex Cash account step by step. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.